my fabric folded into 4. So I will just off 5 and then the actual length of the cloth, which is 35. So which I just ruled. So I'll just cut it like so. So I'll just take this down, and now I want it to be very free because see I'm pregnant and I want it to be a very free cloth. My bust measurement is 40, so I'll just put 10 in this place like this. That's for my bust, and I'll be adding extra 10 inches because it's a man's dress. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just share this into parts. So we have our fabric, so you see it's 2, so it's like this. I'll be adding elastic to this. So this elastic I will just measure it and add it to the shoulder. So I will just cut. So I'll be cutting like 8 inches. That at 5. So this gown, it will be very short. I've seen it will be very, very short. So, and there's a pleating at the bottom. So I'll just add extra 8 inches to it. So the remaining fabric is 16 inches. So I'll just add extra 8 inches because I'll be plating this place, and I'll be plating there, and I'll add this one to it. So I'll just cut out 8 inches. I'll just cut it into 2 like this. So this will be the plating, and this also I want it to be much fuller. So I will just add this because this is small, as you can see. It should not be enough. I want it to be very full at the bottom, so I'll just add this, the both of them together. So I'll just plait it to this cut. So this for the dress, and now I'll be cutting the hand. So for the hand, first so I'll be folding here and here for the elastic. So I'll just fold it into 2 like this. So it will be for the both ends. So I'll just sew here like this, like fold it into two. So I will add the elastic, and here also I'll fold it into two like this. So that the elastic can pass through this place. So I'll be using this for the hands. So you now be folding it again like this into two. So I'll just cut this into two for the belt, because I want it to be belt. So this cloth is a very simple cloth. So this is for the hands, and after I finish aiming here, so this place I'll just like this, I'll aim it like this. So I will add elastic to it. So after that, I will add the hands, shaping it, then add the bottom to it. So this is all for the cutting. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next one. Love you. Bye bye. This is the final look of the dress. I hope you understand my explanation. If you don't understand, let me know in the comment section and I'll make other video about it. Thanks for watching.